Hello everyone, my name is Farris and today I will be showing you how to use a microwave. Enjoy the video.
Okay, then you need to prepare a plate. I'm using a plastic plate here so it doesn't crack. Then prepare your food. After that, open the microwave and put the plate with the food in it. Then press the microwave button. Then adjust the watt. I'm using 180 so it doesn't cause a blackout. Then adjust the time. In here, I'm adjusting it to 90 seconds. Okay, then I'm just gonna fast forward it a little bit. Okay, as you can see, the chocolate here has already melted. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.